To other news now, some public sector workers are now restive following the delayed payment of outstanding wage benefits under the new compensation package. It comes almost 2 months after the government and public sector workers' unions reached an agreement to settle the outstanding items. As we hear in this report, the Jamaica Civil Service Association says its members are anxiously waiting to meet with the new finance minister. Before former Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark left the country for the International Monetary Fund in September, he made sure to reach an agreement with public sector workers to finalize items that were not settled under the new Public Sector Compensation Review Program. But almost 2 months later, public sector workers are yet to receive the money owed to them.
We're expecting those circulars to come out before the end of November so that payments can be made. We did indicate that we're not willing to wait until December to get those payments, and so we're expecting the financial secretary and also the new minister, to send out those circulars so that public servants can be paid for those items that we have negotiated under our previous agreement.
Speaking in Mile Gully, Manchester on Thursday, President of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, Tisha Clark Griffiths, explained that public sector workers are restive. She told TVJ News that several items are outstanding.
And so for the return of passenger mileage, the reinstatement of that, those payments are to be made effective August 1, as well as the overtime, the extra hours work policy. Currently, we have public servants who are working who are not in receipt of payment for extra hours work, and so they continue to wait on the ministry to release the circular and the policies to enable them to get their requisite payment for hours that they have worked beyond the normal 40-hour work week.
She emphasized that some of the payments are retroactive and should have been paid from August, and the workers are now hoping they will not be delayed any further.
Because the estimate of expenditure would have been tabled on October 15th of this month, and so the ministry departments or agencies are well ahead of the game in calculating those payments and are awaiting the release of the circulars from the finance ministry. So I'm hoping that we don't have to take drastic actions, because I think we have given ample time for those circulars to be released, and I'm just imploring the ministry to release them.